Welcome today to Fridge Mechanic International. Today we are looking how the compressor is made. Now, as you see the compressor here, this is the compressor. This is the side of switch where the power goes to connect the compressor. So here, as you can see, these are three terminals. There is the right side, left side, and the down one. Sometimes you find it is upside down. This first one is on the top. Okay, you find the switch is upside down, so when you see there is three terminals, so two terminals which are on the same line. Like now the ones on top, they are all neutral, but there is live down. So when you're connecting the switch down, that one is right, is written C, which is common. It is called live, the one you see down here. Then on the top there is neutral. All are neutral. So when you're connecting your fridge, is very simple to connect because all the things are the same. As now you can see three terminals. There is left, right, and down. So all those, the one the same line on the top are neutral, all neutral. The one down is live. So this thing is very simple to connect. You can connect anytime you want. Very simple to connect. So today I'm showing you how you can connect the compressor to the electricity. So when you see those terminals, always the one which is around is called live. Then other side they are all neutrals, but there is a side where you can put neutral, then it works. So as I'm still showing you how the thing is moving, so that you can make it, you can see there is C common, monitor, M is called monitor, then S is going to start. So when you're connecting, when you see very clear, down is C common, then on the right is monitor, on the left is start. So when you're connecting the power, it should be live, should go on common, then to monitor, then your thing will work out. So this is the switch where you see this on the top is called live. Then the two lines down, those are all neutral. All are neutral, as you can see here. Up we have overload, we call it overload, where live goes. This terminal on the top where you see ROHS, on that line there is live down. Or on that line you can see left, right, all those are neutrals. So when you are connecting, as you're going to see my arrows, it can show you clear the picture how it should be connected. Now we are going to move out of this this switch. Then you can see a different switch which can show you how you can connect it. So here we are going for the switch which is on the compressor. The switch which is on the compressor, you can see from here, as you're going to see here. So here is the switch. Now you see the one which is have the white, that is what I was telling you is live. Then where there is a black one, where the blue one, that is neutral. There are two terminals there. So we put the one up which is live, then another one which is neutral, but we connect it on the side of M, which is called monitor, so that your thing can work. It's very simple to make this thing. Connecting the one terminal up is called live, another one down is called neutral. So you can connect by yourself, as you have seen these two wires. Now here you have seen this one is connected to the compressor. That cable up, that wire up is on live, where I showed you behind is on live, then down is in neutral. If you have this fridge which have this same switches, now you can see here the connection here is very clear. You can see even on this switch, you can see how it is connected. As the pictures is getting zoomed, you can see On the top there is a white cable, that is live. Then down is neutral, as I have showed you before. Now when you see here, I'm turning to the switch, you can see the white one, that one is live. Then there is the brown one down is connected to neutral. As you can see, I'm going to show you more compressors, but when you're connecting, first see on the terminals, there is where there is C is live, where there is M, that is monitor, then where there is S, that is start. So some compressor, you see like this one, we are connected on black and yellow. I'll make a clear video here, just very simple, so that we shall make the picture very clear very soon, so that we can understand everything very well. As I'm showing you to this compressor here, there is blue, there is red. So on the top is where there is a single terminal, down there is double terminal. So this switch, you can, here is the switch, another switch, you see this black one, that one is live. On this white switch, that part which is black, you connect your live. Then another terminal, you see it, you put your neutral. Now here you can see the picture very clear. That black cable here is live. You see that simple cable here. Okay, this switch here can show you the picture here. Now this is where we connect our live on this black cable, that is live. Then those other blue one is neutral. You can also connect by yourself. It's very simple to connect that switch. As this black cable is live, you can put cable live where you want. When you follow this cable, you can see where it goes, that is live. You can connect by yourself, very simple. You follow those blue cable there, they are all neutral. Then red is live, and brown most of the time is live. So you can connect very simple. Anytime I'll show you how to connect from the thermostat, because most of the time the power comes from the main socket, goes to the thermostat, comes back to the compressor. But most of the time it is the wires which can come out is from here. So when you read very here clear, you can see the side where there is L, which is life, and N, which is neutral. So when you follow the line very clear, you can connect the switch very well, very clear. Now here, this is the done for switch. So I'm going to show you the done for switch here. You can see it very clearly. So this is the done for switch. There is live and neutral. This one is also very simple. Live, neutral, you can see N. Then live, you can see they are showing you the arrow, which is showing you that RL is live. So as you can see here, they are showing you where to put live and where to put neutral. Then there is a one terminal which is down the mark there. That is where you can put your live, because these terminals, they are not connected to the one down. These terminals are when you're connecting power, the power comes here, goes up to the thermostat, the bulb, then comes and goes to the single terminal there you see down. So that one you can connect is very simple. You put down in that single terminal, then you put on N. There you can connect your terminal there. Then you enjoy your coldness, man. That is N, and until you sit down, there is C, common. There is common down there. That is live. C is called common. That is live. You can connect your thing and enjoy. I'm showing you this side is neutral. Then another side where there is L is there is arrow that shows you this side is live, and C down is common. When you put your wire on down C and up, it will work. Then this is the same thing. This round thing you see up first, that is the terminal which is live. Then when you go down, you can read the word N. There is a symbol N which is called the neutral. So you can connect on the top, and when you go down, you can see N where you can put your cable and your fridge works very. So you can go on and see how I'm showing you from here. The picture is there. You see N, the side of N is on the right hand side. Then on the live is on the top where it is you see, you can even see the word live. I'm going to show you from there. So we can go on. So here is this one, they never opened it. When you see these cables here, this is the gas. You see where there is R600 there, very clear. That is the type of gas that comes to the fridge that goes there. But this gas can burn you if it gets the leakage. Please be careful, because it can burn you. That gas of 600 is very tough, my friend. It is flammable. It catches fire. So you need to be serious. Here you can see again, this is another compressor here. When you read there very careful, you can see R134. This gas is not flammable. This is the type of the gas that goes in this type of fridge. So this thing here, it can use R600, but for R600 cannot use this type of gas, R134. So that one you also need to know that. So that is the type of gas that goes there. So this one is very simple to know. That is the power that it takes. That is 3.0 HK7. So it's very simple here. You can understand it. And here we were talking about, I wanted to tell you how you can service your fridge. Servicing a fridge is very simple. You just need to clean the rubbers. You have to clean the behind the compressor, but first of all, what you need to do, you have to switch off your fridge, plug out from electricity, then you start cleaning your fridge one by one. Just clean in the rubbers in between. I told you before, you need to remove from the power, switch off and plug it out from the electricity. And now after that, when you are cleaning here, you have to clean this angle here. This edge here needs to be cleaned because it first rests from this corner here. You have to make sure this side is clean. You have to clean here. After you go for rubbers, you also clean. That's the service that is needed for the fridge to work very well and to look nice. Then if you enjoy your fridge, because most of the time what spoils the fridge is you don't clean it. And again, you need to make sure your fridge has this fridge guard or stabilizer. And another thing, when you switch off the fridge, now again you have to make sure here you have to clean this angle very clear. You have to clean regularly. This is what we call servicing the fridge, because if you don't clean this angle, your fridge will start rusting from here, then it will get spoiled. And here you need to clean even here, because when this thing rusts, the door falls down. So you need to be careful, man, cleaning your fridge. Okay, now here I'm going to show you how you can clean the rubber. Now we are looking how you can service your fridge. Make sure these rubbers you clean this area here on the top of the rubber, all around the upper door, the down door. Then your fridge, then you enjoy your fridge. Clean your rubber very careful. Clean your fridge slowly. You take your time. You clean the rubber, even on the top of the rubber. Then you enjoy your fridge, because this is needed, and the door will be closing very well. And again, what I'm forgetting to tell you, you need to, when you're connecting your fridge, make sure always you close well your door, because sometimes the result is the fridge will not close the door. The fridge will not close the door very well if you don't clean regularly. So you clean your rubber and you make sure your door you close very well, so that you can use your fridge very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. The fridge will not close the door very well if you don't clean regularly. So you clean your rubber and you make sure your door you close very well, so that you can use your fridge very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. The fridge will not close the door very well if you don't clean regularly. So you clean your rubber and you make sure your door you close very well, so that you can use your fridge very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. The fridge will not close the door very well if you don't clean regularly. So you clean your rubber and you make sure your door you close very well, so that you can use your fridge very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. The fridge will not close the door very well if you don't clean regularly. So you clean your rubber and you make sure your door you close very well, so that you can use your fridge very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. The fridge will not close the door very well if you don't clean regularly. So you clean your rubber and you make sure your door you close very well, so that you can use your fridge very well. Thank you very much. Thank you.